Sydney. Say hi.
Hello.
It's a video. I know your girlfriend. I used to have class with her.
You did?
Yeah, I went to the mall for but I didn't drop that class. It's not a it's not a picture. Yeah.
This is a video? A couple weeks ago, she went to the mall. That's not a picture? Really?
No, it was a video of Nate's butt. Just kidding. Nate's got the biggest butt.
Nate's got a great push.
I know. You sleep with it every night, right?
It's not good, is it?
Oh yeah, you got a big tush too. I have a black girl's ass. So did Brad.
No, Brad has zero tush.
No, I have a black. Wait, who has a nice tush?
Brad has a very bad tush.
Oh, it's so cute. It's cuter than a big black tush.
None of us are black, so I don't know how
Are you up for the next round? I think we we're done.
Danielle, video, that's good.
No.